Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the features that is kind of nice that has been improved in the update that we just received for the preview updates. Once again, if you haven't checked Windows Update, you'll get them with Patch Tuesday of August. Is I would say, a improved Windows search. The Windows search had one big issue. If you actually, misspelled what you're searching for, it would try to find weird things and it would not open whatever you want to open. Well, now it actually does work. So, for example, let's say I type PHN for phone link. Instead of trying to tell me that it's going to search for something called PHN, it actually displays the phone link app. Another example is if I misspell there, UTL for Outlook. I just kind of missed out on the letter O. Well, it immediately showed me Outlook. So these are things that weren't happening before. Before, it was that cryptic, let's go search on the web what we are going to try to find. So there's a lot of improvements in how it searches for things. And even if you misspell something, it will now actually find it and say, well, I guess this is what you wanted, which is a big improvement here, including in the settings and including everything in the settings. If you are looking for different things, it now actually will, give you the proper settings. Once again, there was a lot of big problems with, it's often wanted you to go to the web to search for whatever you want to search for. Now all of that is fixed. No more annoying going to Bing search, and a lot more precision in what it's actually finding for you on the search. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.